Hi guys, I hope you're having a great day today. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my second Boxycharm base box for the month of April right here. This little box costs $25 a month. You promise a retail value of at least $120 and you get a total of 5 full-size beauty products. Now I say second because I accidentally forgot to cancel or suspend or pause my second account that I have for Luxe months because I don't like to miss out on base boxes. So they sent me a second one. At first I was kind of upset, but now I'm really glad because I'm excited to see what's in here. So if you want to see what's in my box, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so if you haven't watched my first unboxing, you totally should. You don't need to watch it, but I did an unboxing of my regular box, which is the one that kind of has the most reviews that I've held for the longest. And this box is for Luxe months. I opened the second account so I could get a base box on Luxe months, and I've only had it for, I don't know, 3 months. I want to say 3 months. And I forgot to cancel it or suspend it, so they sent me a second one. I was kind of upset, but then in my last unboxing, maybe you've watched it, but I didn't get a Natasha Denona palette, and I was very upset because I thought that everyone was going to get a palette. So when I realized that I was going to get a second box, I was super excited for the chance to possibly get it, and I did get it. I'm going to show you guys in a second. I haven't seen everything that's in my box. All I did when I got it, I opened it because I needed to confirm, like, did I get a palette or not, because it just couldn't wait. And I did, and I'm wearing it right now, but let me show you guys. But first, this month's theme for Boxycharm is Sweet Trees, which I think is super adorable for April, like pastel spring vibes. Super cute. But let me show you the first product. I got the Natasha Denona Ayanna palette right here. This palette has 5 total shadows here. Let me read a little bit about it. There's quite like a long paragraph about it here, but I'm gonna read it really quickly. It says, a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 ultra pigmented neutral cool tone shades in a range of muted browns with a touch of a sparkling metal green tourmaline, or tourmaline I should say, inspired by the Japanese meaning of aya, meaning color and design, combined with na, meaning elegant, graceful, and delicate. It's the perfect everyday palette to create sophisticated classic looks as well as evening looks with a super glam finish. Formulated with Natasha's signature blendable, user-friendly formulas and the highest quality pure color pigments. Dazzling chroma crystals and luminous pearls. Suitable for every skin tone, cruelty-free and allergen-free. And wow, I'm glad that I read that because I feel like I got a lot of information about the meaning of the palette, like more than we usually get in these little cards. That's really cool. So the retail value for this is $48 and it's a Boxy exclusive again. And there's a close-up. You guys might have seen this everywhere. I know I have because I was obsessed when I found out that we were getting Natasha Denona palettes. I really wanted to get the Jubilee palette because I love colorful palettes, but I also like this one. I have like kind of everyday looking palettes, I guess, like neutral tones, but this one is pretty cool toned and I found it to be a little bit more unique than I expected it to be. I do have it swatched in my hand because I just finished doing a tutorial of this look. I'm reviewing it for a separate video that should be coming tomorrow, but here's a swatch for you guys. It's swatched like a dream and it also performed like a dream on my eyes. What's very interesting is that this shadow here, just like the little card red, is more, I guess they call it tourmaline. It's more like a green finish. It's not like a true silver, which I absolutely love. It's so pretty and pigmented. That first shade kind of like melted into my skin, which is cool. It's nice for blending. But overall, these shadows are so pretty. I do hope that I can get my hands on the Jubilee palette during add-ons because I just really love that for like spring. And there's like a really pretty matte black in there, and having a matte black in this formula would be super nice because I normally like stay away from like super dark shadows unless I really know the formula because they can get really messy. And honestly, I did a smoky eye and that like super dark brown here, there was no fallout and I was in shock. I couldn't believe it. And I did my face makeup first and it performed so nicely. So if you get this, I think you're gonna love it. And I'm just really happy to have it in my hands. So the shimmers are really nice. And that's enough talking about just this palette. Let's see what else is in my box. Now, since this is my second box, anything that I get in this box that I already got in my first box, I'm going to include in my in a giveaway that I'm kind of getting together at the moment, so stay tuned for that. So let's see, the next item in my box is the Earth Harbor Naturals Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampoule. I never know how to say that word, but that's what the packaging looks like. Let's read a little bit about it. Give your face illuminating superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp oil, plus pacifying grapeseed oil and neem seed extract. Serenely energize and soothe skin while revealing dewy luminance. Retails for $32. So now I do realize I didn't get to choose an item for this box because, again, I forgot to cancel it, so I wasn't trying to choose something. With my other box, I chose the Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer, and I didn't get a Natasha Denona palette, which I've gotten comments saying that people have noticed that whoever chose that wasn't getting a palette. And with this one, I did not choose anything, and I did get a palette. But anyway, I don't know what my point was for saying that, but this is what it looks like. Oh, it looks pretty. Is this like an oil? I feel like I read about it right now in the card and don't really know what I read. Okay, so it says it's a soothing ethereal glow of the Aurora Borealis sweeping across the sky, captured in a bottle. Give your precious face luminous. Okay, I just read that. Let's see how you apply this. It says apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning as needed. If using another treatment and or moisturizer, massage in Aurora until absorbed. For a daily skincare cocktail, add 2 or more drops to any Earth Harbor serum, facial oil, or moisturizer. Okay, so you include this with your skincare. I'm not really like super crazy about getting skincare, and I have that rated as the lowest on my profile, so like it's not super exciting. I already got skincare in the other box, and I have so much skincare that I've gotten over the last few months through Boxycharm and Ipsy that is not super exciting, but I guess it's fine. But I don't know enough about it. Let me know in the comments, have you guys tried this? Do you know much about it? Like, have you tried it and seen a difference in your skin? Has it done anything for you? Please let me know if you tried it. But let's see what's next in my box. The next item in my box is the Eloise Beauty Get Gleaming Body Glow. And I did get this in my box. So this one I'm going to put in the giveaway. And I'm going to show you the one from the other box that I already opened. This one is nice and sealed. So I'm going to put that away for you guys. Let me get the other one. Okay, so this is the one that I got in the other box. And this was actually really pretty. At first I wasn't excited about it because it's like a body highlighter. But once I put it on my skin, it does leave like a very pretty glow. And it's not super glittery, but that's what the bottle looks like. And let's put a little bit on this hand. And that's so pretty. So like, I do love the way that it looks. It feels really, really nice on my skin. And it just like kind of leaves a really nice glow on the skin. It's not like super glittery or anything. So I don't know, I might actually get into wearing this. I don't see myself using it as a highlighter because I like powder highlighters. Maybe during the summertime somewhere on my body. It looks really pretty. But that's, I guess I got 2 of them. But I'm not mad at it because I am doing a giveaway soon anyway. So I'm totally happy with giving it away to one of you guys. The next item in my box is the Appeal Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow. It says, get glam and glisten up with this new liquid eyeshadow, rich with beautiful color and high shimmer. Retails for $21. And this is what it looks like. I don't use a lot of liquid eyeshadows, but I feel like I'm going to start to do it soon. Because I tried one day when I was home, like just playing with makeup with my daughter. And I really liked how it applied. I just haven't been doing makeup so much, like just for the fun of it. I honestly thought this was like super gold, but once I open this up, let me swatch it in my hand. It just seems a little bit darker. Yeah, let me show you guys. So interesting. Like it does, like I do see that it's really shiny, but it's more like a lavender silvery to me. Whereas in this packaging, I kind of was getting a little bit of like gold vibes. So I might actually like it more than I expected to, because I did get like a gold liquid shadow sometime, I think in the winter time, and it was from Eloise Beauty, I remember. So this one is actually a little bit different. I do like it. It's really pretty. Let me kind of blend it and see. That's really pretty. So it is more like on the lavender silver side. really pretty. The last item in my box is the KNDR Beauty Kinder Glow Highlighting Palette. It says this palette includes 3 universally flattering highlighters and 1 marble highlighter. Okay, and it reaches for $15. I did get that in my other box, so I'm not going to open that. I'm going to show you guys the one that I got in the other box. That's what the packaging looks like. It is really pretty, and I remember like the how it's swatched. I'm going to swatch it for you guys for this video, but that's the packaging. Really cute highlighter palette. I think I would have been more excited in the video about this had I gotten a Natasha Denona palette, but it is really pretty, honestly. I do like it. It looks so nice. Let me swatch it for you guys. Okay, so I swatched it in my hand here because I ran out of like swatching space on the back of my hands. I think it's so pretty, and I love the icy white highlights. So that one, that's the marble one, might be perfect for me. But I don't know, it's a really pretty palette, and I like that it has a mirror. I don't really see that a lot with like highlighter palettes, but it's really pretty, and I am glad that I got it. And I can't believe that's it. I feel like this box was super quick. So let me just recap. I got the highlighter palette. I also got the Natasha Denona not peak palette. I was thinking about October. Natasha Denona Ayanna eyeshadow palette. Aurora Superfood Luminance. And a liquid shadow. And the Eloise Beauty Body Glow Illuminator. Overall, I feel like the palette made the box for me. Everything else is not super exciting. The highlighter palette is pretty. I already own it, but I'm glad that I can give that away to one of you guys. But if I were to like not have 2 boxes, and this was my only box, right? And I'm just judging like these items, and I don't own any of them, it's not like super exciting to me. I like the palette, so that makes the box for me. Well, actually, yes. I don't know. Maybe, I guess it is a really good box because I got a highlighter palette and then a Natasha Denona palette, liquid eyeshadow. I guess just this body illuminator, as much as I want to get excited about it, is not like super exciting to me. It's not my kind of item that I really enjoy. And this here, I don't really need. And I haven't heard much about it. So though I want to be excited about it, I don't know much about it. But I have been positively surprised in the past with some Boxycharm products that I thought I would not like at all and ended up loving. So I'm going to give them a chance. But overall, that's my box. Let me see how much my box is worth this month. Okay, guys, so my box was worth $154, which I think is awesome. I do like everything that I got overall. I'm glad that I got the Natasha Denona palette. I don't know if I showed you guys a close-up. I think it looks so pretty. I enjoy the formula, and I will have a tutorial for that tomorrow. In case you guys want to see that, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet. But I think that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, did you guys get your boxes yet? How do you feel about this month's Boxycharm? I'm still waiting on my premium box, and I'm also subscribed to Ipsy, Glam Bag Plus, and Glam Bag, so they should be coming soon. So if you like those unboxings, definitely stay tuned for that. But again, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys. Mwah.